Hello students, in the previous video session we discussed about the definition of operating system, features of operating system and the advantages of operating system. Today we are going to discuss about the classes of operating system, means how many types of classes of operating system. So first class is your MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System. What is the abbreviation of MS-DOS? It's a disk operating system. बच्चे MS-DOS it was launched in 1980. Okay, so firstly what were the features of the MS-DOS? It's a single user operating system, means only at a time only one user can operate the operating system. Hierarchical file structure means multiple directories are in the Microsoft disk operating system, or memory access limit is 640 kilobyte. So these all were the features of MS-DOS operating system, and it was released in 1980. Clear? Number of directories were there in the MS-DOS, and these all are the extension files of the MS-DOS. Like input output system is the extension of the file, MS-DOS.system and the command.com. Then what is the use of command? It indicates that your window is ready to use, like this. C command prompt, what we call it's a command prompt, means your screen is ready to use. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि now your window is ready to use. So here you can see बच्चे like C prompt. This symbol is termed as C prompt and it is an indication that computer is ready to work. जो आपका कंप्यूटर है वो वर्क करने के लिए ready है. So it was the first class of operating system, and now we are going to discuss the second class of operating system, that is Linux operating system. Ubuntu is the popular Linux distribution, and what we call the desktop area, that is the GNOME area. What we call the desktop area, it's a GNOME area. Different categories in the GNOME area, like on the top bar, one is activity button, second is clock and calendar, and third is system indicator. This one is a system indicator, this one is a clock and calendar, and the top side is a activity button. Here you can see बच्चे, the top bar across the top of the screen provide access to the activities overview, your date and time, your system indicator. What is the use of activity overview? The currently open applications menu, means which application programs you have recently opened, that will be shown in the activity button. After that, clock and calendar, you can see the date and time in the clock, date and time. Then system indicator means it gives you the indication about your battery and all your network issues, all these items in the system indicators. Like here you can see बच्चे, such as battery life and network connectivity, about your network connectivity. It will give you the indication. Desktop, this is your main area, working area you can say, where you open the application program, that is called, this is your working area. Next is the dock. The dock occupies the left side of the screen. It shows currently open apps plus shortcuts to your favorites. बच्चे it dock file है ना, it create recently opened programs plus along with the shortcuts. It create the shortcut of the recently opened file. Next is the app drawer. App drawer is at the bottom of the dock. This one, bottom of the dock. When clicked, it lists all the apps installed. बच्चे which apps are installed in your PC now, then how you can see? It can be, you can be see with the help of app drawer button. All the installed apps will be shown in the app drawer button. Then search with the help of search button. If you want to search any kind of application program, then with the help of search button you can easily search. So these all components are the Linux operating system. It's a GNOME desktop area. Next students, date and calendar also, system indicator is also done. The next is a bacha MS Windows. So nowadays it's a presently MS Windows. Nowadays we are using MS Windows. So MS Windows is an operating system developed by Microsoft company. The various released versions were, जो बच्चे earlier मतलब versions थे, that was 95 Windows 98 Windows Vista, Windows NT, Windows Explorer. All these were the types of Windows, Microsoft Windows. Nowadays we are using Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. In our school computer labs we are using a Windows 10 version बच्चे in our computer labs. Okay, earlier we were using Windows 7, then Windows 8. Now we have replaced the Windows 10. So nowadays we are using Windows 10, and it is a multitasking बच्चे. It's a graphical user interface. You can see here its interface is GUI, means graphical user interface, means multitasking is possible in this operating system. It is a single user. Multitask you can do बच्चे. Suppose side by side you can open any one application program along with PowerPoint. You can open MS database also as well. Okay, so it's a multitasking user interface, means multitask you can do. These all are the components like desktop area. So बच्चे, firstly you revise these 3 classes of operating system. In the next video session we will discuss about the all components of Windows 10. So clear बच्चे? Okay, goodbye.